We all know Delta Airlines for their on-time scheduling, reasonable prices, and extra legroom. However, what happens when one passenger decides to destroy Delta Airlines property? On June 30th, 2023, the Atlanta Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for that passenger.
She's breaking up stuff. Which one? She was right here. She broke up the computer. She broke up the mouse. She was banged up stuff all down there. Yes, right here. She needs to be arrested.
What's going on?
So I'm not even supposed to be in Atlanta, right?
Okay.
I get on the, I land here. I missed my flight all because they didn't have a ramp to take me off of the flight. So now I missed my flight. I get my flight rebooked. Mind you, I was supposed to be home 3 days ago. So he's telling me I'm on standby. I got the fuck mad.
So you destroyed their property?
I destroyed their property. What property did I destroy? I threw a chair that destroyed property?
They said you broke a computer or something?
I broke a computer. Go check and see what computer's broken. Go see if you see a crack on the screen or something.
That's what people telling me.
Okay, they can tell you whatever they want, but I threw one chair and I walked away. Because I started fucking crying. Because I'm mad and I have the right to fucking be mad. I was supposed to be home 4 days ago. I did not break anything. I threw a chair.
You got your ID on you, man?
The fuck, bro? Like...
Hey, anything damaged? Anything broken down there?
I'll take y'all to the show.
Okay.
Can you go? Can you go in there to see anything broken?
Since I fucking broke something, please tell me what the fuck I broke. Here you go.
I'm Officer Boyd, okay? Yeah.
Fuck out of here, bro. I really know. Like, I don't even give a fuck. I don't care. I don't give a fuck, yo.
Radio 1702. I got the security.
I'm still gonna fucking sue Delta. The fuck, I was supposed to been be home. Now I'm fucking mad and taking my anger out. I destroyed property. Get the fuck out of here, yo. I'm not even supposed to fucking be in the state, first of all. I was supposed to be home 3 days ago. But these airlines keep canceling, delaying my flight, and I'm not supposed to be upset about that? Oh, now because I'm upset, whatever, yo. I don't give a fuck. I really don't care. Like, this is funny as fuck. Before you pick up my bag, you're gonna rebook me a flight so I can go home. How about that? How about you sit down and settle that before you go get my luggage? Can you do that for me? Can you put me on another flight with another fucking whatever? I don't care. If it's the same airline, I don't give a fuck because I'm still gonna sue their ass. But it's just a simple fact, like, are you gonna put me on a flight so I can finally get home? I've been trying to get home for 3 days. I was just in a whole other state yesterday, now I'm in a whole other state. I'm not supposed to be here. So what are you gonna do? That's the question. That's what I'm trying to get you to answer. What are you doing right now?
95 BMI.
Excuse me, sir, what's going on here?
Right now, I'm trying to see if they say it was damages. So I'm trying to see if
What
it was
the
damages.
fuck did I damage?
They say you broke the computer.
I broke the computer?
That's what,
because there's
I
no
didn't see anything yet.
If you want to
That's
go
what they
walk
told
over there,
me.
there ain't no computer on the floor. Really, I should
They
smack the
told
shit
me.
out of who fucking lied to you and said I broke something. It was you?
Don't do
The
that.
fuck? Yeah.
I know you
I'm
mad.
more than frustrated.
know
Sir,
you
I was
mad,
supposed to
but
be home 3 days
Don't take it
ago.
out on them.
You want to know something? Delta is the reason why I'm still here. And then for them to say I'm put on standby and I can't go home, like, that's crazy. I would have never missed my flight had y'all had the stupid ramp shit together. How the fuck y'all don't have a ramp for people to get off the flight and then have us wait in 30 minutes? I know it's not your problem. You can give fuck less because you're not going through what the fuck I'm going through. Let me get the fuck out of here.
We're going to call corporate security.
She broke a
She broke
mouse,
the mouse and all of
tried
that.
to take the keyboard
Yeah.
and break it too. So that's
So
better.
we need our ID, we need to see everything. But we need to call corporate security.
Call them.
Yeah, I'm going to call corporate security.
So you see I'm not lying right off. Okay. But I know you know.
Because I called the tower, yeah. She needs to be arrested.
Right.
Yeah, that's unacceptable in front of passengers. People got babies down there.
So she broke the at
Yes, that's
at
no,
D8.
At
Yes.
D8, she was at
Yes.
D6 and
She
28.
ripped out the mouse out of the computer at D8.
the wheelchair.
And the whole
So we need
keyboard, she
her
flung it
ID
across.
so that corporate security
All
can
right. Is anybody possible? Because I don't want to leave her by herself. Is anybody possible to take photographs of the damages?
I need her boarding pass. We need her boarding pass.
That's what they
Sorry.
say. Oh, that's y'all.
Where
That's the whole thing. Like info.
she took the mouse off?
Yeah, the mouse and everything. You heard that.
We need her boarding pass and her ID because I need to see her confirmation.
Because she came, we're here in the middle of the conference.
Check this out. That's all she did was take that, rip the mouse off the thing. She said she did a chair, but yeah.
And them two doors on this.
Well, what happened at D6?
Excuse me. What did you say about the D6 doors?
I saw her down in the door,
Okay.
and from what the ladies over there said, that she was slamming the wheelchair against it too. But I didn't physically see that. But I was just coming out.
So this happened at D8. And she banging on the door at D6.
D7 and D6. Right?
Because the flight was leaving at D6. But she started D6 and then she was moving down the concourse.
All right.
You called 911?
Ready to go.
The mouse, keyboard, and all that.
The other agent called 911.
Hey, I was
You always come
I know it.
with the drama.
I swear, every time I'm here, it's going down. Like, I ain't like,
Going down.
I was like,
Oh, that's the thing that's gonna fucking help, but people don't give a fuck. So you still want to talk to him? All right, go ahead. Here,
Who this?
just
This your dad?
just listen to what he has to say, please.
Hello. What's going on, man? Alright. Everybody good? Alright, miss. Stand up.
I'm getting arrested?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm not getting arrested.
Yeah,
That's some bullshit. No, I'm not.
stand up.
No, I'm not. I'm not getting arrested. What the fuck? Shit crazy.
I know. You stand up.
No, don't touch me. Get off of me. I'm not playing. Get off of
No.
me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You
Get
going-
off of me.
you going to
I
go
don't
to jail.
care.
That's what it is.
No, I'm not. Get off. Get the fuck off of me, yo.
Sis, I'm not trying-
Get the fuck
I'm
off
not
of
trying
me.
to
I'm
hurt
not
you.
playing, bro. Bro, get off of me, bro.
Sis,
Get off of me.
don't get no more charges.
Bro, get off of me.
Sis, don't get no
off
more
of me.
charges. I'm
Get
not
off
trying to hurt you.
Get off of me.
I'm not trying to
You
hurt
see
you.
that? You see this, babe? I hope you see this, babe.
I don't say it, but you I don't want to hurt you. Sis, I don't want to hurt you.
Really? Alright. I'm gonna sue the shit out of y'all.
Do what you gotta do.
It's all good.
You just want more charges. You don't care about that.
It's all good.
Put your shoes on.
No. It's all good.
Put your shoes on. You tripping.
No, y'all tripping.
No,
Fuck
you're
you
tripping.
mean?
Nobody want to do nothing to you?
Sure.
I got a
Of
mind
course
and a
y'all
wife.
don't. Of
I
course
want to do
y'all
something to you. Put your money back.
You got a man, you got a woman, you got a wife and a kid, but you're a man and a female.
If you don't want to listen,
Fuck, shit, corny.
listen.
I'm not even from here. Niggas trying to get
I ain't
home,
from
and
here either.
y'all sitting here trying to lock me up like I'm a victim just because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 want to fucking make me look crazy. Fuck out of here.
Shut up.
The fuck you looking at, bitch? Stop fucking looking at me.
Shut up,
Y'all
yo.
corny as hell. Especially you. With your corny ass. Ugly as hell. That bitch when it's trying to fit. What are you talking about? You both wearing blue and I look better than you. Fuck
You a model? Okay.
bitch. I know. Ha 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 ha.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.